So we're going for the bridge of the love story theme. This is the second tutorial. So we went, now we're going to F on the right, and you can either do D, F and C on the left, or just F and C. So it's up to you. And then A, F, A, and then that's F and B and A on the right. Now D, F, D, E, E on the right and E and B on the left. So that was G, E, G, G, A, A, and when you go G, A, A, you've got E and A on the left. So then you go C, E, C, that's D on the right and D and A on the left. Going to G sharp. That's A minor chord and a C on the right. And then an A major chord. E on the right, A, C sharp, E, and then we've got F and C on the left and F on the right. G, A, C, C, B. So that was F. C, D, F, E, and then E, F, G, B, A, G, F, E, D sharp on the right, and D sharp and A on the left, and then F sharp, A, F sharp, G sharp on the right, and E and G sharp on the left. Last section, A minor, E, F, E, D sharp, E. And then E chord, that was D, 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 E, D. And then D, D, E, F, E, D, B, A minor again. That was C, 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 D, C, and then F chord, C, C, D, E, D, C, E, A, and then an E chord with the B, and then C, D, F, E, and then we can do an ending when we've finished learning that. So just learn a little bit at a time, and if any of it's difficult, just try and make it work with a simpler idea.